Ballerina 2025, set within the stylish and brutal world of John Wick, follows the journey of Rooney, a trained assassin raised in the infamous Ruska Roma Ballet Academy, introduced in John Wick Chapter 3, played brilliantly by Ana de Armas. Rooney is a woman fueled by grief and vengeance after the murder of her family. Her quest for answers and justice propels her into a dark underworld that echoes the same sleek, rule-bound chaos of Wick's own path. What makes Ballerina stand out is its unique fusion of ballet-like elegance and ruthless combat. The action is choreographed with a grace rarely seen in action films. Fights unfold like deadly dances, where Rooney's every move feels both artistic and lethal. Unlike John Wick's relentless gun-fu style, Rooney's battles have a fluid, almost hypnotic beauty rooted in her past as a dancer-turned-killer. The film also deepens the lore of the John Wick universe, bringing back familiar faces like Winston, Karen, and even a brief but impactful cameo from Keanu Reeves himself. These elements connect the film closely to the original franchise, while allowing Rooney's story to stand on its own. The visual style is absolutely stunning. Dark, neon-drenched cinematography combined with symbolic imagery creates an atmosphere that's both immersive and haunting. The narrative is not just driven by revenge, but by identity and trauma. Rooney is not just hunting killers. She's trying to reclaim her sense of self in a world that molded her into a weapon. Her emotional journey is well balanced with the action, and Ana de Armas brings depth and nuance to the role. The dialogue is sparse but effective, with memorable lines that hint at a deeper internal struggle. Winston's line, "The past doesn't die, it dances with you," beautifully encapsulates the film's emotional tone. The climax is both violent and reflective. Rooney faces those responsible for her pain not just with fury, but with a quiet resolve. Rather than just delivering vengeance, she seeks closure. The ending, while satisfying, leaves room for continuation, hinting at a larger role for Rooney in the ever-expanding John Wick universe. Ballerina isn't just a spin-off. It's a stylish, well-executed, standalone film with real emotional stakes. It balances intensity with beauty, violence with vulnerability, and crafts a protagonist who is both fierce and deeply human. In a world filled with generic action thrillers, Ballerina dares to dance, and it does so with deadly elegance. Overall, I'd rate it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. If you're a fan of the John Wick series, or simply love action films with depth and character, Ballerina is absolutely worth your time.